How to equip heroes in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can select different heroes and characters. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this heroes icon. Simply tap on heroes. So this is the section where you can choose different heroes and different characters. Now here on the top, you'll see the default ones. Now in order to change the hero, simply tap on the hero that you want to change into. Now you'll be able to simply equip it here. So I have not purchased the hero, but you can directly purchase the hero and directly equip them, and they will be displayed in the gameplay too. So it's quite easy. Simply tap on them and you'll be able to customize them accordingly, and it will be displayed in the gameplay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.